Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man, where we help you turn your cleaning side hustle into a full-time, thriving business. If you're ready to make 2024 the year you go pro, then stay tuned because we're diving into the 5 essential steps to get you there. Let's kick things off with the first step, building a strong foundation. Now I know foundation sounds like one of those business buzzwords, but trust me, this is where the magic begins. Imagine trying to build a house without a solid foundation. It's not going to stand up to much, right? The same goes for your cleaning business. Start by getting crystal clear on your vision. Why do you want to turn your side gig into a full-time job? What does success look like for you? Whether it's financial freedom, being your own boss, or creating something you can pass on to your kids, whatever it is, write it down. Now translate that vision into a business plan. Don't worry, you don't need to draft a novel. Just a simple plan that outlines your goals, your target market, and the services you'll offer. And don't forget to set some short-term and long-term goals. Think of these as your stepping stones, each one bringing you closer to your vision. All right, now that you've got your foundation set, it's time to market your services. You could be the best cleaner in town, but if no one knows about you, it's all for nothing. So, how do you get your name out there? Start with the basics, flyers, business cards, and word of mouth. But in 2024, you've got to think digital. A simple website can do wonders for your credibility. It doesn't need to be fancy, just a place where potential clients can learn about you, see your services, and maybe even book online. And don't underestimate the power of social media. A Facebook or Instagram page where you share cleaning tips, before and after photos, and client testimonials can help build your brand and attract new customers. Speaking of new customers, let's talk about the third step, streamlining your operations. This is where many small business owners trip up. You start getting more clients and suddenly things get chaotic. Trust me, the last thing you want is to be buried in paperwork or double booking appointments. The solution? Automation. Invest in some good software to handle scheduling, invoicing, and client management. There are plenty of affordable options out there that can save you hours of work each week. Also, consider creating checklists for your cleaning tasks to ensure consistency, especially if you're handling multiple jobs in a day. Streamlining isn't just about saving time, it's about creating a professional image that clients can trust. Now, we're on to the heart of your business. Delivering exceptional service. You've probably heard the saying, good help is hard to find. Be the exception. Show up on time, be thorough, and go the extra mile. Whether it's leaving a thank you note or doing a little something extra that wasn't expected, these small touches can turn a one-time client into a loyal customer who raves about you to their friends. And don't forget to ask for feedback. It might seem scary at first, but it's the best way to learn what's working and what needs improvement. Plus, happy clients are usually more than willing to leave a positive review online, which brings us back to building that strong brand. Finally, let's talk about expanding your reach. If you're serious about growing your business, at some point, you'll need to consider hiring help. This can be a tough decision, especially if you're used to doing everything yourself. But think of it this way. Every hour you spend cleaning is an hour you're not spending on growing your business. Start small. Maybe hire someone part-time to take on a few jobs while you focus on marketing or client relations. And when you do bring someone on board, train them well. Make sure they understand your standards and what sets your service apart. The goal is to build a team that shares your vision and delivers the same level of excellence that you do. And there you have it. 5 steps to take your cleaning side gig to full-time success in 2024. Remember, the journey won't be without its challenges, but with the right foundation, smart marketing, streamlined operations, exceptional service, and a growing team, you'll be well on your way to becoming a cleaning pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's make 2024 your year of success in the cleaning business.